Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Unlock it, make sure it has at least 20% charge, and have your passcode ready. Once done, navigate straight to System Settings. On Android, go to Settings, then Location. On iPhone, open Settings, Privacy, then Location Services. You're taking control now, so don't open individual apps yet. Make the change at the system level first. That ensures apps can't access GPS while you adjust finer permissions next. You'll now disable access for apps and refine permissions. First, flip the main location services toggle off to halt all GPS queries system-wide. If you prefer selective control, leave system on and change each app to while using or never. On Android, revoke background location, and on iPhone, disable precise location for apps that don't need it. Make sure map or fitness apps are set to never run in background. These steps reduce tracking while preserving functions you still want. Finish by verifying the change. Open a Maps app and confirm no GPS lock or location icon in the status bar. If the device still reports location, try toggling airplane mode on briefly then off, or restart the device to clear cached services. If GPS remains active, check Device Administrator apps and any security or carrier apps that can control location. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear corrupted location.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.